We have ourselves a 2009 Hyundai Sonata, and we have to fix that broken lug. All right, let's get this jacked up and onto the jack stand here. Slide that off. All right, time to check the pads. The rotor feels like it's stuck in place. It should be, we should be able to jiggle it around now. It should be pretty loose. Got it. There we go. All right. This is the stud that we removed. It's about 12.85 millimeters. Here's one we ordered from Amazon, and if we measure it, there it is there. It's 14.41 millimeters in diameter. So this is one from AutoZone, and that one comes in about 12.96 millimeters, which is about the right one. So just be careful, make sure you measure it and make sure that it's going to be the correct fit. There we go. Easy. Our little flex claw tool is a winner. So we're going to use this tool to pull the lug in. We're going to put a dab of grease onto the threads. All right, it's slowly getting drawn in. There we go. There it is. All right, that pulled it in nice and easy. Looks fantastic. Great job. Nicely done.